to my channel. So today I'm giving you guys a tour of what my garden looks like, my urban garden in Nigeria looks like in the month of September. I haven't given you guys a garden update, so this video is about a garden update. I'm going to be giving you guys what is going on and everything that I've been up to, what I've been doing in the garden, what's not working, what's working. So yeah, so let's go to the garden.
Guys, this
together.
is my
I'll see you when I'm
cucumber.
back.
This is the only thing in this parcel of land right now, and it has lots of flowers coming out. Hey, but wait, I think it has started fruiting. This is some cucumber coming out. Some cucumbers coming out. Like, I'm seeing different cucumbers coming out. So yeah, of what the garden looks like. This is what currently. You guys should please tell me what kind of fencing option that I can use, because honestly, Otisumi. What's that? Don't touch anything. Leave it. Don't touch it. Oh my! This is the update. So you guys, after the last clip, we actually did some work in the garden. I transplanted most of the shoko because they were together, so they were not growing. They were sharing nutrients in one spot, so I had to spread them out. Yes, that's the right word. I had to spread out the shoko so that they have room to grow, okay, and do better. And I also planted ugu in the garden. Remember, I planted ugu like some months back, but I mistakenly put insecticide on it or something like that, and it killed the entire ugu. So I got some new seeds after looking for seeds all over Nigeria. I finally got a few seeds and planted it in the garden. So that's why I use this thing to cover it, because like I've mentioned, my fence is broken. Goats broke the fence, so that's a major thing that I need to work on right now, because fence is broken. So grass cutters, different things are entering the garden. It's just so discouraging, guys. Like sometimes I just want to give up, but you just have to keep going, right? So yeah, so the fence is broken. So I had to use this cloth to cover the ugu so that something does not eat it one day before it becomes matured. From the garden. Unfortunately, there's only one, so okay, just going to do this one video now. So we transplanted these vegetables to give them space. I think a week ago, and I think they are doing well, but something is eating them up. I don't know what is eating them up, but I may need to put like some fertilizer or something to encourage more growth. Then the same thing over there. That's the same thing we did over there. We put this thing. Good morning, sir. Well done, sir. We transplanted them and put it there. So this is the new ugu that I planted. You can see it just coming out. Like I also planted here. Can you see them growing? Yeah. This is new ugu. I planted ugu. So this is what my garden is looking like this month of September. A lot of things need to be done, like the fence. I need to do the fence. I need to work on the fence. So yeah, that's the update, and I'll keep you guys
What's up,
posted.
guys? So this is like a week after I came to show you guys what's going on the garden, and I just said this is Saturday, let me come and see what's going on. So remember the vegetable I showed you guys, like they are
they are they are bigger. Let me see that they are bigger than what it was last week. Even these ones here, even the ugu, everything is bigger than how they were last week. But let me leave that one. So you see this, you see this place that I said goats are entering from. So I just thought of like an idea, and that's what we're going to do. Those tires over there, we're going to stack them here for the time being before I finally do what is in my mind. So what I'm going to be doing is that we're going to move these guys a bit again. I'm so sorry that I have to move like these people here. I'm going to move them somewhere else. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm sorry that you have to go through this, but we're going to move them so that we can stack this thing up. Then I didn't show you guys that we planted okra. The one that we planted before, I said something's eating it. I don't know. You guys, I need prayers in this place. But that's it. Madam, sweep now. What's your own with what I'm doing? When you eat shawarma, you don't know that shawarma used to come from somewhere. I'm such a bully. So these ones are growing and they are doing a lot much better. So let's not talk too much. Let's transfer the tire from that side to this place. That's what you get when you have animals. People will talk about animal cruelty, but there's to consider people that are planting something. Because if I kill those goats, that somebody will say I'm wicked. I'm not wicked. Okay, let me not talk too much. So yes, I'm going to remove this one now, and I'm going to remove these ones here and transplant. Abi, move the tire to this side. So let's get to you guys. If you know what the name of this thing is, tell me in the comment section. Put it in the comment section. Let me know, those of you who know your plants. I'm waiting. Okay, let me just help you guys. So this is loofah. They use it to make that thing that we used to call native sponge. So I got these pods like a while back, and I saw somebody do a video on Instagram Reels. So I'm just going to do something similar. So people should follow my gardening page on Instagram, Herbs and Sprouts. I don't know if I'm going to do it on YouTube, but I'll do it over there. So yeah, then I'm moving these tires, but you see, the problem here is even more. Look at this place. This place is even open. So the Lord is my shepherd. But let's try and block out this place first. So let's uproot those ones. These are the plants that we just transplanted from that other corner. Can you see how stressed they are? And I'm just such an unreasonable person coming to do this in the afternoon. It doesn't just make sense. But as I finally do this now, I don't have time to. I've moved the tires. So I want to see how these goats are going to come inside. All this one is just temporary measure. Like I need to do like a proper fence. I'm tired. If I have to continue this garden, I can't go on like this. I am tired. So yeah, what else have I not shown you guys? I think I've shown you guys. Okay, so I think we are going to harvest new cucumbers. See, can you see this one here? See this one here? Honestly, I wasn't even expecting much from the cucumber again. When I was coming here, my plan was come and put it, but Messi said no. And that's what is going on. And look at this guy here. Look at them. Aren't they so cute? Ready to go into my pots anytime soon. So we're just cleaning and sweeping. That's about it too. So look at these ones that we transplanted. See that they are doing well. They are coming out so well. It was smaller than this last week. I'm so proud. Like, I am really proud. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, you can check out my other gardening videos and